This is your host, Scott. Hope you had a good couple of days in the market, Monday and Tuesday. Yesterday we're up, I think it was 150 something points. Today up over 550, I believe it was. So we've had a good couple of days. We did sell some things. We'll talk about that when we get into the portfolio. And actually bought a couple of things today as well. So it's been a good couple of days, good start to the week. So that's the way we like to start the week out. And so we'll see what tomorrow brings. We'll check that out as well tonight to see what's going on in the markets. But let's go ahead and take a look at our portfolios and see what's going on there. So let's go on over there. So as you can see today, we had a green day. Like I said, we're up 500 something points. The only red one we had was the one that's we've kind of been ignoring anyway. So ACB was the red one. The big winner today looks like it was U.S. Steel at 9.98%. So it was up good. Nucor, our other steel mill, was up 6.37%. That's one of the ones I actually did sell today. I actually sold it today at 10% gain. We've had it about 5 days, so had to go ahead and take that money. Yesterday, now, we did sell a couple. We sold EXAS, that's why you don't see it on here anymore, and MPC, and need to take that one off as well. But we sold both of those yesterday, and got about 6% out of both of those. EXAS was a 3-day hold, and MPC was a 4-day hold. So you can't beat that kind of money. That's CDs pay about 2% nowadays for a whole year. So you're talking about a few days and making 6% on your money. Of course, these were just small lots. We didn't buy a whole lot because we only bought once. Usually when we buy, we're having a cost average, that's when we kind of build up our positions and we have a little bit more money in them. But still, 6%, you just think about it as buying a CD. And you can hold a CD for 4 days and make 6%. So that's what we like to do. So that's what we did on those. Again, EXAS, MPC, both 6%. Nucor today at a 10% gain with 5 days holding. Did buy some more SPY. I wanted to go ahead and add to that. It's holding up pretty good with the market being up the last couple of days. So I just added a little bit more to that just to have some more money at work since we cashed out some. Also added to the GBTC as well. It's been holding up pretty good, and just mainly wanted to add my positions, kind of build up the position a little bit. Not really cost averaging, probably made my cost average even a little worse, but wanted to get a little bit more money into those since we cashed out on a couple of things. Still sitting at about 59, almost 60% cash, so we're in good position. May be able to sell that SPY and that GBTC if there's a good day tomorrow. So you never can tell. But that's kind of where we're at on that. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's going on in the market. Okay, it looks like we do have a little red going across the board here, but it looks pretty flat. Stock futures flat following a rally. So yeah, everything's flat, looks like. Let's take a look and see what's going on in Asia. Asia's pretty much the same. A little bit of green, a little bit of red. Nothing major going on there. Nikkei almost, 0.75% almost, 0.5%, what do you want to call that? And the other two pretty flat, 0.5% on Hong Kong. U.S. today, as you can see here again, 526. I think we were up as much as 700 and something at the early part of the day. And then Powell came on, the Fed guy, and a bunch of politicians. So as they spoke, the thing dropped. And then after they got through speaking, it went back up to 500 and something. So I prefer them just stay off the TV, but that's not what happens. They get on there and they just stir things up. But that's part of it. Just got to deal with it. I kind of knew that when he was going to be on TV. I told some friends of mine, he's coming on, y'all watch your stuff drop. So oil, let's take a look at oil. Oil was up today. Oil was up 3% on supply cuts, improving demand. But it's down a little bit in pre-market, so we'll keep an eye on that. But it was a good day. As far as tomorrow goes, what we're going to be looking for is just opportunities to buy. We've got a lot of cash. if there's a red day tomorrow. It may be because we've had 3 good ones in a row, really, Friday, Monday, and Tuesday here. So it wouldn't surprise me if we have a little bit of red tomorrow. The Bitcoin Trust, GBTC, sometimes it has a tendency to go up on down days, kind of like gold. So that's one reason I added to it as well. Kind of, it's more or less like hedging some of the other things that I've got. But we'll watch for those to go up tomorrow. If they go up, GBTC and SPY, we'll be out of those, and we'll need to build some positions in something else. MPC, EXAS, we're going to be watching as always. Novavax was up a little bit today, I believe. Had a little red on it for a little while, but I think it ended up in the green. It's holding up very well around that $50 mark, but I'm not going to touch that thing unless it gets down to about 42, 43. But I've done well on Novavax, so good luck to those that's still got it. And it's going to go up if it gets that FDA approval. You can bet that it'd be back up to that $60 level or higher. So, and anything to do with a vaccine, of course, it's going to make it go up as well. So, for tomorrow, again, just looking for bargains. We got all this cash. We're ready to put some to work. I like these quick turnarounds we've got. That's always fun, and it's just a quick way to make money. A lot better than no CDs. And so I hope you have some good luck tomorrow. Go ahead and click that subscribe button if you like what you're seeing. And appreciate you joining. And we'll be back on here again maybe tomorrow night for sure. Probably by Thursday night, sometime Thursday night. That's tomorrow night. So we'll jump on here before we either Thursday night or Friday morning before I head out. But we'll talk to you later, and have a good evening. Have a great day of trading tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking that button right here. Thanks. Bye.